I'm Sherfield and this is Bison TV.
Oh lordy, it's Halloween and time for the first planet-sized showdown of the season as the Sherfield School Basingstoke Bison welcome the Milton Keynes Lightning. Buoyed by a tough victory on the road in Swindon the night before and looking to make it 5 from 5 at home in October. Eventually, that is, after Mr. Ryans had to make a few running repairs. A frenetic start saw the herd on the front foot from the off, MK netminder Przemysław Obdrobny covering up in the early stages. A power play opportunity soon after would eventually bring the opener, with Derek Rail taking the game on his back. A superb piece of individual play, but well worth checking out our Barracuda Networks replay for the trouble that Matt Dwalski created against his former team in front of the net. The perfect screen seeing the pinpoint shot find the twine for the opener to give the herd the lead at the end of the first. Into the second, and the Sherfield School Basingstoke Bison defence would have to be on their guard in the early stages. Thankfully, Thomas Hiedlowski was keen to make it a Stoptober end to the month, along with the rest of the defence, with Rail and Kurt Reynolds also battling in the slot to clear the puck. And perhaps the frustration was beginning to show for Tom Carlon, who maybe thought Thomas needed to know where the net was. Thankfully, as the rest of the game showed, the Slovak definitely does. Another power play opportunity would soon go the herd's way soon after as the Lightning drew yet another blank on the man advantage, and once again it was the perfect play. Patience in the offensive zone rewarded as Kieran Long's set-up saw Dan Davies deflect the puck into the net, as our Barracuda Networks replay nicely shows, the herd doubling their advantage as the period drew to a close. A similar story in the third as the Sherfield School Basingstoke Bison were resolute in defence and converting the opportunities they were given. Long's chase down on Obdrobny proving the difference, firstly batting his clearance down before creating the perfect finish into the empty net. Those brand new glasses, courtesy of Specsavers, doing the business for the forward as our Barracuda Networks replay show. It's so good that it's worth watching over and over again. Apparently, Przemysław means clever in Polish. Not so much here. Not so much here. And if it couldn't get any worse for the Lightning, oh yes it did. A power play opportunity with just over 4 minutes remaining saw the coach decide to go for broke and pull the netminder as well. You can already guess how this one ended up, can't you? Thomas Karpov being set clear to put the icing on the cake for the herd. 4-point weekend, a perfect 5 from 5 on home ice. The smiles in the crowd saying it all.